Ambooo decking is very easy to install. It is pre-stained from the factory. It comes in 6'8" lengths to be installed over 16-inch on center framing. Boards are grooved to accept a clip, and they are tongue and groove on the ends. It goes down just like flooring. Ambooo installation is easy. We're going to start at the front of the deck. I allow for my nosing, and I mark in 5.5 inches on both ends. Snap a line. We took a solid board to use for our starter. We ran the router down one side to allow for the clips. The end of the boards are tongue and grooved. My splices only need to be within 2 inches of a joist. For our first board, we use a 3/8 step drill. That way we can screw and plug it, and you won't see any fasteners. Now we use a polyurethane glue, 3/8 plugs. Fill our screw holes and then cut them with a flush cut saw. We continue the process all the way across the deck. When we get to the end at the house, we'll use the same screw and plug for the last board. We install the Ambooo decking with camo clips. Clips are designed to slip over the joist into the slot, over the joist into the groove. Now we're ready to install the rest of the boards. You want to lay out your material with either the tongue or the groove all in the same direction. We lay all our material out. We go ahead and cut the bands, get them out of the way. We want to make sure that we stagger our spaces. Now we'll install the rest of the boards. We just slide them into the spacers. And as I'm laying out material, he can screw it down. It's important to stagger our spaces, mainly just for looks. Our splices do not have to be exactly on a joist. They can be within 2 inches of a joist. Now we'll measure for our finished piece. That piece will complete this row. The remainder will be the starter for the next row. Now, as you probably noticed, there's two sides of the material. One is smooth, one is grooved. You can put either one up. This one would give you a little more traction. It's especially nice on stair treads. Now, as you can see, once you get your system down, you can put your clips in. You can put in 4 or 5 rows at a time, screw them down all at once. It is important to make sure that you push the boards tight so your spacing is consistent. This black band that actually holds it in place also hides the color of our floor joist. Our tongue and groove ends and our staggered spaces actually make this look more like a finished floor than a deck. To finish the ends, we snap a line and cut it off. Sit back and enjoy the view.
For more information and to find a local dealer, visit AmbooUSA.com anytime.